Hold it down like a Snapchat. Go over your head like a snapback. Uploaded a pic, double tap that. And your flow so old, granddad. Bruh.
I want to show you today how I am going to take it from this bushed out, blown out hair that I will definitely rock, you guys. I will rock this, okay? From this blown out hair to, you know, to see if I can manipulate the curls using some of the products that you've probably seen me use before. I have this going here. Let's try that again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, you guys, so you will know each time I upload a video. I try to upload a video at least once a week, so you don't want to miss out. Alright, so today's video, you guys, is going to be a very short review on this unit from ChinaLaceWigs, you guys. Now, ChinaLaceWigs is, I believe, again, it's an Asian vendor. I don't remember if they're on AliExpress, but I know that I ordered right from the ChinaLaceWig site. It came in a DHL bag, you guys, and the unit was wrapped in this, I want to say, like beauty supply store type of bag, you guys. And it has, I guess, maybe this is the owner inside. I don't know. But yeah, it was packaged with the beauty supply store packaging. Okay. And then it had this really cute black bag titled ChinaLaceWigs. And I love these bags, you guys, is because for storage. And I know that once I take this unit off, I can always store it in this bag. And since it is branded, I know which unit I have, you know. So I love the fact that these companies are, their bags are branded. It just makes it for easy storage for me, you guys, because that's how I tend to store. All of my units are in baggies and everything. So yeah. I'm going to leave all the specs down below in the description bar, but I wanted to give you some details about this unit. Unit came with this discount code that I'm going to leave below for $15 off, you guys. Just show you the unit. It comes with baby hairs, but if you know anything about me, you know I don't like baby hairs, you guys. And today I wanted to come and show you the hair and how I brushed it out, you guys. And what I'm going to do is manipulate the curls and to see if it will come back together, okay? But let me just show you the parting. Alright, so what you probably know is that I use my little trick. I didn't bleach the knots, you guys, but I used my little trick of putting the, by putting my MAC mineralized skin finish. You've seen me do it several times on my channel with several of the units that I own. And so I put it on the underlace of the wig, and then I just plop it on, you guys. And yeah, now I'm going to try to manipulate this hair, and all I'm going to use, you guys, is, and you've seen me use this before, is my Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 curl activator. And I just use a spray bottle with water and conditioner, warm water and conditioner. I'm also going to add a little bit of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine.
Afrobeat, Macy, Starboy. Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, hey Joanna, Joanna. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba, ho? Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho? Drogba, ho? Oh, DJ Drogba, ho? Drogba, ho? Hey, DJ Drogba, ho? Drogba, ho? Joanna,
Oh, okay. So it's China Lace Preplucked Brazilian Human Hair Curly 360 Lace Frontal Wig. The lace color is light brown. Hair color is 1. Hair length 14 inches. Hair density 130%. Cap size is small. That's because I have a very tiny head, you guys. Okay, you guys, this hair came with absolutely no smell to it. This is the final product of how I have this unit. I like it. Alright, I like it. Let's see, does it tangle? You guys, this is really my first impressions, and I will leave a pin down below after I've worn this hair for a while about whether it tangles. It does shed a bit, but I'm going to attribute that to me and how I cut the lace, and I also cut around my ear tabs, you guys. So I'm sure I cut some of the hair, and that's probably why it's shedding. And yeah, this is it. This is all that I have to say about this hair, you guys. I love it. I think it's a great vacation, great summer hair. You know, it's not something I feel like you have to put too much work into. You just plop it on and, you know, fluff it out. You can manipulate the curls like I did. You can wear it super, super bushy like I did in the beginning, or you can wear the curls a little bit more defined, like you see them now. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions about this hair, please don't forget to leave them down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you to all of my new subscribers, you guys. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm so happy that you decided to join my YouTube channel. Alright, I know you had so many options, but you chose me. Alright, so thank you again, and I will see you in another video. Alright, bye.
DJ Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho. Hey, DJ Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho. Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Mad, Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey, Joanna.